Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to remove complex black background from any image in Photoshop. So let's get into this amazing tutorial. Make two copies of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Hide the top layer. Press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus U to desaturate it. Then press Ctrl or Command L to open layers. Adjust the slider and make it complete black and white like this. Hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command A to select the layer and then copy it by pressing Ctrl or Command C. Come to the background layer, click on the vector mask icon. Press Alt or Option to get into the mask. Press Ctrl or Command V to paste the selected area in the mask. Again press Alt or Option to get out of the mask. Hide the upper layer and that's it. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.